AI can literally save you thousands if you use it the right way. My name is Gloria with Miami Car Cartel, and today we're going to talk about how AI can be used to help you buy a car. You can use AI to catch overpriced cars. Tools like Copilot, Icy Cars, and Edmunds AI Price Checker scan millions of listings and tell you if a car is overpriced, fair, or an underpriced deal. Use this before you walk into any dealership. It gives you some real leverage. Also use AI to get the best trade-in value. CarMax, Carvana, and Vroom use AI to give instant offers. Even if you don't sell to them, use their offers to negotiate against the dealer. Next, use AI to avoid hidden problems. Apps like Carfax AI and Copilot Smart Scan analyzes a car's VIN, looks for accidents, mileage inconsistencies, title issues, lemon flags, and they actually explain the problems in simple language. You could also use AI to find the right car for your life. Matchmakers like Cars.com AI, True Car Assist, and Kelly Blue Book recommendations use your budget, family size, commute, and lifestyles to match with their best car, not the most expensive one. You could also use AI to predict repair costs. Sites like RepairPal and Your Mechanic AI estimates future repair costs so you don't get stuck with a car that drains your wallet later on. So super helpful for used car shoppers. You could also use AI to compare loans. Capital One Auto Navigator and AutoFi use AI to sort through banks and show you the lowest interest rates you can actually qualify for. No more guessing, no more finance office games. So there's benefit for all of us to use AI and use it the right way. You could avoid bad deals, save money, skip scams, and walk in more informed and more educated and ready to make a great deal. This is Miami Car Cartel helping you shop for cars in a smarter and better way. If you have any comments, drop them. See you on the next one.